Bollywood Now gets you in the exclusive conversation with India's most popular novel writer, the one and only Chetan Bhagat.
Hi.
Hi. Pleasure to have you here. Firstly, what mantra do you put in the book that the directors come running to you to make the movies?
I think the books are quite popular. I think the readers like them, and some of the readers are from Bollywood, so they like them, and then they see the popularity of the story and they feel that there is something in the story which touches them and they feel it's quite popular also. So I think that's how they come. I think especially since Three Idiots became such a big hit, it's been proven also. So I think they are now looking at all my stories and trying to make them into films.
And your stories are always different. You always pick up some issues like education, we saw in Three Idiots, corruption, everything. So where does the inspiration comes from writing the book?
Well, I want to use my writing and the reach of my writing not only to entertain people but also to do some positive difference to society, because entertainment I have done, I have proved it, it's movies, books, has all been done. So what keeps me going is that okay, if I can use this to give slight positive message, then why not? So if Three Idiots is entertaining but it also gives you a message, so Kai Poche is also in the same league, and that is how I'll do my writing for the rest of my life.
Three Idiots was a massive hit. We had Aamir Khan, big stars. But Kai Poche, we have new stars. So how what nervousness, anxiety you have for the release of the film?
We were nervous earlier before the promos came out, but now the promos have had a very good response, and ultimately it's the film that matters. The big star of course helps, and Three Idiots, a lot of people came on the first day because it's an Aamir Khan movie, but the movie kept doing well for several weeks because people like the content in the film. So I'm very confident about the content of Kai Poche. So I think yes, we are doing marketing, we are trying our best to do as much marketing as possible, and today because of social media, because of all the channels available, we are able to communicate what this movie is, and then people, if they feel it's a good film, they will come whether or not there is a star or not.
So most of the people have read Three Mistakes of My Life. So how different is the film? It is same or it is different?
It's quite a faithful adaptation. It's one of the most faithful of the three films adaptation of the books. But there are differences. I'm one of the screenwriters also, and you have to change. It's 2 hours. You have to fit 300 pages book into a 2-hour film. There will be some changes, which is it's not possible to make a film exactly like the book. But largely, it's a very faithful adaptation.
How much justice do you think has Sushant done for Ishan? You have 3 characters, Ishan, Omi and Govind. So do you think the justice has been done? You have seen the movie?
Absolutely. Firstly, the film is very good and I'm very happy with it. And I think the performances will be noted once the film comes out. I mean, Rajkumar Yadav is already a very well known as an actor. He's a good actor. But
Sushant Singh,
have a lot of expectations for screen. And I'm telling you, all the Sushant fans will love him even more. I think all the girls are going to go crazy about him. And even Amit is a very strong. So I think the director Abhishek has the ability to bring out the best in people. Even for Rock On, Arjun Rampal won National Award for his Rock On performance, whereas people had never seen Arjun Rampal in that kind of a role before. Shahana Goswami, he has the ability to bring out very good performance in people. So I mean, there's very good performance here.
When Abhishek came to you for the book, so what was your reaction? And then he asked you to write the screenplay. What was the reaction?
I was thrilled because I really liked Rock On. I think Rock On was a very good friendship film, and I was looking very badly for a director who understands friendships, because it was a friendship book.
Okay, friendship, we have seen friendship in Three Idiots. Also, we'll see in Kai Poche. So, the people will compare the movie with Kai Poche, Three Idiots?
Well, you are already comparing. So, yeah, people will compare. But, it's a compliment to be compared with the biggest movie of all times. And I think even if you compare, you will find this film as good as Three Idiots.
Okay, lastly, I would like to say, what would you like to say your audience for the movie? Like, everybody has read the book, but how different will be the movie?
I'd just say that I've been very lucky to have readers who are so loyal and they are accepting anything I do. Whether I write books, different books, stories, films, they all come and they trust me. And I would just tell them to just maintain that trust. I would not be here marketing this film if I didn't think it was a good film. As simple as that.
Okay. We are looking forward to see Kai Poche in Mumbai with camera person Kaval Singh. This is Manisha Mandal for Bollywood Now.